Oh, there he goes.
There goes Bill.
Chase is in the lead. Now it's Marshall again. So we woke up this morning and it's raining, but we still want to play. So what are we gonna do?
Play with monster trucks in the rain.
What else?
Take Paw Patrol Boats.
We're gonna race Paw Patrol boats down a river.
Yeah.
And
what?
We're gonna slide down the hill when it's wet.
Yeah.
Just because it rained doesn't mean we can't play, huh?
Mm.
All right, you ready to go play?
Yeah.
What do we have in here? So we got a sled. We got a launcher to launch some monster trucks down the hill that we're gonna slide down.
On a ramp.
And we got monster trucks in the cases. We got a seat for brother.
Wait,
Got some snow clothes that will hopefully keep us a little dry. Here's the Paw Patrol boats.
They're back here, Dad.
Let me see, show me them. Okay, so who do we have?
Marshall.
And we got Chase.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to go get muddy and wet?
Yeah.
You got your bibs on? And, rain boots, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's get your brother dressed.
Let's play, Dad.
All right, buddy, let's go. Okay, so you make it to the hill?
Yeah. I'm gonna get all the stuff, Dad.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? You're gonna launch him down this hill?
Yeah.
Pretty steep, be careful. And then we could put the boats in there, huh? Race them? Go. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, he's going back.
He's gone.
Oh, he got stuck by back wheel.
Okay, go. Goes. Wanna slide down?
Yeah.
All right, now go with me. Ready? Okay, you ready?
Sliding down to get monster truck.
Oh. Get your back at the end.
Ran over harder.
Yeah.
That was not
I think we should do it right here a little more because that was a pretty hard transition when we hit the bottom. Kind of hurt my back.
We can hit him on.
You get those ones. I'll get these two. Let's go back up there and do it again.
Off-roading like.
It's steep right here, huh?
Yeah. Truck.
Go, go, go.
What's the name of this truck?
Thanos.
Yeah.
Here. There he goes.
Oh, first try. First try.
Oh, there he goes.
There goes
Oh, I wasn't ready. Oh, he stopped. Oh, I'm slipping. Ah. Oh, I got him. I tried to stop, but I couldn't. Be careful, be careful. This is steep. I didn't bring the right boots. I should have brought my hiking boots instead of work boots. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he stopped right there. Who's next? Okay, go. There he goes.
I
Oh.
want to push Scooby-Doo out.
They get a little more stuck on this hill. There goes Scooby. There he goes. The winner goes the farthest. How about that? Ready? Ooh.
Oh, he's going far.
That's Yoshi. Okay, who's next? Go,
I
Ace.
want to do french fries.
There goes Ace.
He's
Oh.
driving.
Oh, he stopped. There he goes.
Where he's going? Thanos, where he's going?
All right, hit him hard.
Where you
Oh, look at Bigfoot.
down, Bigfoot.
All right, who's next? Fire alarm. There goes Charger. Oh, oh. All right, let's slide down and get these ones. You ready to slide?
Whoa!
Oh.
When I go to the track,
Ow.
Daddy.
That one hurt. I'm like shell shocked from the first one because it hurt my back. Look at it, it's dirty. It's not like snow, huh? All right. All right, who won? Who went the farthest? I think it's this one. Who's this one? This is the one that went the farthest.
I want to push him.
He went the farthest.
He's going farthest again.
Yeah, but what was his name? Chassis Snapper. Back here, there's handles too. Look, if you want to stay back further. Okay, you got it? Put your feet up. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Put them on here so we can take them back up. Then we gotta go get brother. Do you like playing in the ring?
Yeah.
How was that?
Good. Why did I let that like crazy?
Yeah, I don't know. You want to get brother and get the boats and race them now? No, like this, look. Sideways like this. You want to walk downhill? Sideways. See how I'm walking sideways? That's the best way to get down a hill without slipping. Well, we got... Oh. Face plant. Did you face plant it? Here you go, little guy.
I wanted the
Slow. Oh. He's not that balanced yet. You got it? Okay, slow. Doing it slow? Slow. All right. Get it. You're face planting it, huh, bud? Are we racing boats now?
Yeah.
Who's racing?
Chase.
We got Chase versus Marshall. Go. There they go. Come on, come on. Who's winning? Oh, Marshall's kind of stuck.
Chase is not. Chase is going what?
Who's gonna win? Oh, Marshall's sideways and he's winning. Oh, now it's Chase. They're kind of stuck together, huh?
Yeah. We're going into the
All right, I'm gonna get him up here. Look here. Oh, this is the finish line where it gets fast. Who's winning? Marshall won that race. That didn't look good. We need a net.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, they're flipping. Chase is in the lead. Now it's Marshall again. Oh, Chase is gonna hit the shoreline. Marshall's winning. Look, Marshall again. Yeah, Marshall knows how to pick his line.
Yeah. And the trucks know how to roll over.
Marshall smoked him. Look how fast Marshall went. Got him. Man, look how far back Chase is. Oh, he got stuck on the rocks. Here comes Chase. He broke free. He broke free. He lost by a lot. There they go. Dang. Come on. Marshall just keeps beating him.
Why?
Look at it. Again. It's a lot closer race this time though. Come on, Chase. You gotta win one. Oh, this race is a lot closer. Marshall won 3. Go.
Oh,
Hey, what are you doing? We're cleaning them from our last adventure.
yeah.
Got all the grass out. Now it's in the pool. All right, now we gotta fish them out. Grown-ups or parents, if you're interested in products used in today's video, head over to forgebuddies.com. There you'll find links or affiliate links to the products used in today's videos. We appreciate your support and we hope you have a blessed day.
Follow, like, comment.